So you got your two factory holes here. And you're going to start off by installing this. Once you've got that done, you want to loosen these here up. Bring your bump stop all the way down. Make sure you mark your carpet good. You can do it with the marker or however you want to. I'm just using the bump stop to actually do it. Then you want to let your control motor up. Then you want to send your grill up.
1 7/8, aka 48 millimeter. What size drill bit are you not there?
This is 1/8 inch right now, but I just want to make sure that it is right. I'm trying to see where these screws are going to line up to make sure that they're in good wood. You know, again, I don't want to.
Yeah.
I'm squaring that up. I always like to do one.
Yeah.
That way it doesn't move. That needs to be adjusted.
How's it feel?
It feels good. I'm not sure.
That thing ain't moving.
Yeah.
That's it, boys and girls. Pretty quick, actually.
Yeah.